Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to insert checkbox in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Simply goes to search bar, type in Microsoft Word, and now here is the file in which I want to add checkbox. So simply what we have to do, click on files, click on options. Now here you can see the option of customize ribbon. Here you can see the option of developer. So simply check this and click on OK. So here you can see new developer tabs appear here. So click on developer tab and here you can see the option of checkbox. Click on it. So simply press Ctrl plus C to make copy of this checkbox and press Ctrl plus V. You can also insert checkbox by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.